All right, here it is, the 2014 GHP. Let's start from the front and work our way back. Some Stay Strong Chevron bars, 8-inch rise, 29 width. ODI Trolley version grips, lock-ons with some silver bar ends. DXR brake lever, all white brake lever housing. 63 mil J&W stem. Answer dagger forks. Profile Elite front hub. Pro Carbon Works hoop with titanium spokes. As you can tell, they are orange tubes, so that's 2 Toledo tubes. I run a Maxxis DTH 175. I have their silver compression bolt for the forks. They're pretty old, but these are GHP cups with Answer bearings. My 2014 GHP Pro Double XL 22 top tube. Tioga pivotal seat with the Avian carbon seat post. A GHP seat post clamp. Shimano DXRs 175s, Renin front sprocket. Speedline bottom bracket. Krupe chainring bolts. SRAM 850 chain. HT T2 pedals in silver. DXR rear brakes with Icon brake pads. GHP chain tensioners. And for the rear, another Pro Carbon Works hoop, titanium spokes, Profile Elite hub. And that's pretty much it.